Hi everyone, welcome to the Padlet page that I created for you. If you have never used Padlet before, this is a great tool for you. And please allow me to walk you through. First of all, to create a post, you just have to go to the lower right hand side. Click on this plus sign, and then your post would show up. But at this point, no one can see it until you click on Save. It has so many functions. If you click on the three dots on the right-hand side, you will see all these functions. And now I want you to click on Draw, the green sign, because we're going to do some drawing. And this is the pen and eraser. You can click on any colors you want. You can erase it. And you can choose either white background or black background. And then when you are done with your drawing, then you will click on Save. After you click on Save, then your post will be able to be seen by everyone else. So that's it. Hope this is helpful. Have fun!